How did I cope with the pandemic for almost 3 years now? I focused in gardening. Gardening improved many aspects of mental health, focus, and concentration. It also improves mood. Gardening made me feel more peaceful and content. Focusing myself in the immediate tasks and details of gardening reduced negative thoughts and feelings and made me feel better. Moving my body regularly has been an effective way to boost my mood and lower my anxiety. Interacting with nature, especially with the presence of water, can increase self-esteem, reduce anger, and improve general well-being. Gardening activities lowered stress, anxiety, and depression in healthy women. It made me feel more peaceful and content. Just being in the presence of indoor plants can improve mental and physical health. It also contributes towards weight loss.